If you're trying to delete a video file and it won't let you because it says it's open in the shell infrastructure host, here's a quick fix for you. Now, this is a problem with the default Windows video player in the latest update. It basically thinks it's still open in the background and won't let you delete the file. What you can do is just keep clicking try again, and eventually it'll work. It'll just be a few extra seconds. But if you want to more permanently fix this issue, you're going to want to change your default video player. And all you need to do is right-click on the file, go to Properties, and then open with, you're going to change it from the media player to something else. Now, if you don't want to download anything new, you can just change it to like the Photos app or something like that, and it'll still be able to open the file. And if you don't have it already, I would recommend getting VLC. It's a free media player. You can just easily download it and use that as your default video program. But again, if you don't want to download anything new, you can just select a different program other than the media player. And then from there, you can open up your videos in the different player, make sure you're good to be able to delete them, and then delete the files without having that error. If this helps you out, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more videos like these in the future. I'll see you next time.